Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to download the Spielcraft Modpack, as I am aware there have been some issues with installing it. First, use the link in the description to take you to this page. Then click Files. After that, click the newest version of Spielcraft. In my instance, it is Spielcraft 1.0. Download this file to your computer by clicking Download. Once it has installed, navigate to your Curseforge app and click Create Custom Profile. Click Import and from your Downloads folder, click the Spielcraft.zip folder you downloaded earlier. Don't panic if nothing pops up, the Modpack will start downloading into your Curseforge app momentarily. Once it pops up into Curseforge, wait until it has finished downloading. You can tell if it has finished if a play button appears when you hover over the profile. I know the download has finished as a play button has appeared when I hover over the profile. And that is how you download Spielcraft the correct way. Hopefully this solves some of your issues. If not, please reach out and I will be happy to help. Thank you for watching.